Hello everyone, it's Jarvis, your luxury real estate specialist. And today, we're gonna be touring a $1.75 million home located in Scottsdale, Arizona. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 3,600 square foot of luxury living space. So before we head in, I want you to check out your front landscape. Looks great. As you come into the home, you're greeted with this beautiful chandelier that lights up your loft area. Great views to your front yard. Also have a lot of space to entertain guests. As you come on around, you actually have your master bedroom to the right of me with the office on the side of the master bedroom. Down this great big hall, you have your other guest rooms, your laundry rooms, and a few bathrooms, but we'll get to that. So this here is your great room. It's massive great room. Love how the floors kind of match with the cabinet. The color scheme in here is more of a brownish, tannish color. You have a beautiful fireplace here. And then you also have your cabinets. And then you also have a view of your back corridor. Right over here, you have your kitchen. This kitchen has countertop. It matches perfectly with your tan cabinets. 2 ovens, double oven with the microwave here. You have a pantry here. And then you also have your stovetop here. Stainless steel deep sink. And then you have, this is a pretty cool design that they have. They kind of put your cabinet and your refrigerator, mixed them together. And now you have a freezer and a refrigerator here that matches perfectly with your cabinets. Right in front of your kitchen, this is a great place where you can actually put your table, to eat, to dine. It's a good dining area for everyone. It has an old-timey look, light fixture here. Pretty cool. You also have views of your backyard. Speaking of backyard, let's check it out. So your backyard is huge, it's big, it's a really relaxed environment back here. You check out, you have stone-looking brick on the floor. You also have a fan above. And then you have your outdoor kitchen. It has a stone-looking countertop. And here you have your grill for all those master chefs, master grill chefs. Cook your steak, cook your chicken, get it right for the cookout. Here's your pool. This pool is actually deeper than it looks. It gives a great vibe. In Arizona, you gotta have a pool. It's too hot to not have one. So let's head back inside. You can access your outside corridor through your master bedroom. I'll show you. All right, here's your master bedroom. This room is big, spacious. You have your 4 vertical windows here. It brings in a lot of natural light for the room. You also have your windows above here. It will actually be above your bed if you would put your bed here. Brings in a lot of natural light as well. Here's your master ensuite. Comes featured with a soaking tub with views as well. A stand-up shower, double lights above us, and rain shower head. Check out the texture of the walls. We have double sinks here for wife, husband, wife, however you flow. I like how the cabinets is kind of old-timey look, but you still have the same stone here that you have on your floor. So it matches perfectly. Here is your walk-in closet. Have enough space to hang up all your clothes, Louis, Gucci, whatever your preference is. You also have drawers here. And same kind of stone looking texture here that's on the floor. Then you have your toilet. As I said before, you also have an office space located to the left. This is an office space. It could be a room. It doesn't have a closet, so it's technically considered an office space. You have views of the outside. It's a good place for you to set up everything. Library, computer, desk, get nice and situated. As we head into the left wing of the home where we actually have the guest rooms, before we get there, there's an extra pantry here where you can put snacks, whatever you want for storage. You can actually put your art here. Looks beautiful here because it has that light and showcases your art. And it also has this art looking design. So here is your first guest room, and you have your bathroom before you head into your guest room. This bathroom has a tub as well as a toilet. And it also has a neat design for your sink. It's like a bowl as well. It has these stone looking dials here as well. Come on into the first guest room. This guest room is a front-facing guest room. You can see your outside front yard from your bedroom. You also have a walk-in closet as well with a big old light. So here's your laundry room, which is right next to the other guest room. But this laundry room comes with a refrigerator. If you actually run out of space in the kitchen, the refrigerator is here. You also have same countertops as the kitchen area, same design as far as cabinets. You have your deep sink for washing clothes, hands, whatever you may. You have your washer and your dryer, brand new. You also have more cabinet space and more drawer space. You have a clear view of your pool and your outdoor kitchen from here. beautiful 3 lights above us. These light fixtures go well with the room, as well as the walls have a unique design to them. This guest room is a front-facing guest room as well. You can see your front yard. Ceiling fan, it's huge, so it keeps the room nice and cool. Then you also have a sliding open door closet. Now this room is very unique because it actually shares a bathroom with the other guest room. So check this out. This ensuite is really unique because the mirrors actually tilt. It gives you a different look. And they are adjustable, so you can move them as you please. So that's pretty cool. I've never seen that. You have double vanities, and you also have a tub. And you also have a toilet. Also have a window. When you're showering, you can check the views out, get the nice sun in as you shower. This is the second guest room. This guest room, like I said, shares the ensuite bathroom that we just witnessed. This guest room is also a front-facing room where you can see views of your front yard. You have a sliding door for your closet. And then you also have a built-in drawer here. And a space where you maybe can hang another mirror or some art. You have a closet here for storage. And then you also have your garage. Now this is a 3-car garage. You can fit a truck, 2 cars, 3 trucks, whatever you may. So in this garage, you actually have your solar system here to the left of us. This house has plenty of solar panels, keeps your bill down, and it also helps the environment. So you can access your outdoor space through your garage. You have seating area where you can sit, receive food, sit down, eat, conversate with your guests, grill out. You also have your pool that we showed you before. And that concludes our tour for you all today. Thank you for staying and watching the tour. If you have any questions about this home or you want to view it privately yourself, comment home below. If you're in the market to look to buy, sell, or rent a home, or even if you're an investor, give me a call, DM me, or comment home below. My name is Jarvis, your luxury real estate specialist. Have a blessed day.